In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal view in Zendesk. This feature is incredibly useful for customizing how you see ticket data, helping you focus on the information that matters most to you. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Views admin section in Zendesk. Begin by clicking the Views icon, which you'll find in the left sidebar of your agent workspace. This is your portal to all the views available to you and is an essential step to setting up anything new. Now, scroll down a bit until you spot the option to manage views. Sometimes, this might appear as a gear icon at the bottom, depending on your interface, so keep an eye out for that. Clicking it will open up more options for you, including adding a new view. Next up, we'll add a new view. To begin that process, simply click on Add View. This action will guide you directly to the Views settings page, where you'll have the opportunity to start configuring your personalized view setup. A place where the magic begins. On this settings page, the first thing you'll want to do is give your view a meaningful title. Think of a name that instantly tells you the purpose of this view, like My Open Tickets. This will make it easier to identify later on. Optionally, you can also add a description to give more context. Although it's not a requirement, it can be very handy if you have multiple views and need a reminder of what each one contains. For access settings, you'll choose who can see this view. In this case, because we want a personal view, you should select Only You. Next, let's set the conditions, which are crucial for defining which tickets appear in your view. Click on Add Condition to start this process. For instance, if you only want to show tickets assigned to you, set the condition as Ticket Assignee is Current User. This ensures you're only seeing the tickets relevant to you. The platform requires you to set at least one all of the following condition to ensure accuracy. For broader filtering, consider adding some any of the following conditions if you need a little flexibility. Now with conditions set, it's time to preview and format your view. Click on Preview to test your settings. This step allows you to see how your choices play out in real time. You'll also want to decide on the format by selecting which columns to include, such as Subject, Requester, and Priority. Additionally, organize your information clearly by grouping it using a field like Priority and choose how you want the results sorted, by date, SLA, or your preferred criterion. Finally, let's save your view by clicking Save, or in some instances, Create View. Once saved, your personal view will be readily accessible under the Personal Views section in your Views panel. And that's it. You're all set with a streamlined view to manage your tickets efficiently in Zendesk. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.